Welcome back to Cooking for Humans. Today we're going to make same-day bagels. So easy. Everybody freaks out when you need to make a bagel. The human children have requested bagels, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. And that's about it. Now we're going to take 3.5 cups of flour. Remember, try and level it. Nothing's perfect though. Try your best. 3 cups of flour. Here comes a half cup. Now, I totally forgot to grab the yeast, so we're gonna go grab them. Normally, you make the yeast bloom, but for these bagels, you don't need to. But now you need 1 tablespoon of yeast. Again, if you get the jar yeast and you open it, it goes back in the fridge. So your yeast stays good. Then you need 1 tablespoon of sugar. So 1.5 teaspoons, that's it. Woo, salt rat bait. Oh! I'm just kidding. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it on your gun. We're gonna use this spoon too. Woo! Now you need 1 1/4 cups of warm water, not hot, because if it's too hot, then your yeast is gonna not do its job. Okay, I'll be right back. Done, we're gonna pour in the water. We're gonna mix it until the dough forms, and then we're gonna knead it 5 to 6 minutes. Look at that, smooth and not dry. We're gonna let this sit to 30 to 40 minutes, and when we come back, I will show you how to make the actual bagels. Until then, okay, we're back. The dough has been sitting for 40 minutes, because I help the human mom do laundry and stuff. It's puffier. We're gonna take it out and divide it into 8 balls. So now, you gotta get your water to boil, okay? So you're gonna make them into a ball. As best as you can. Not gonna go like this. Okay? Or you can make mini ones, which is also fun. I'm waiting for this water to boil over here. It takes forever, but it's okay. We're not watching it because the watch pot never boils. Okay, and you gotta cut out a hole. Poke a hole like this. We don't even need anything fancy. Oh, you know what? And you stretch gently, like this. Stretch gently. These are probably gonna be mini bagels, honestly. Did that work? These are gonna be mini bagels, and you know what is better, because sometimes the little human child doesn't eat the whole bagel. She does halvesies. So, I'm gonna do this. Still waiting for this water to boil. Once it boils, you can put in a teaspoon of sugar or a teaspoon of honey. Okay, I decided to do 6 bagels, and now we're boiling, so we're going to put the sugar in, and you boil it for 30 seconds each side. One side, and don't overcrowd your pot, so I can fit like 3 in here safely. We got to count to 30 on the rack. We'll figure it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. With the board, you can use whatever. And you gotta drain them. I have a little strainer here to drain them over a paper towel. And once they're drained, you put them on the baking sheet. And I have non-stick aluminum foil because it's so much easier instead of me playing with parchment paper. We're gonna dry these real quick. Alright. Put them on a pan. Again, they don't have to be perfect. They smell like bagels though, so that works. I'm gonna make 3 plain and 3 everything bagel seasoning. I have my handy dandy everything bagel seasoning. And a little. Right, now we gotta go in the oven to 18 to 22 minutes until deep golden brown, and we'll be back to show you when they're done. Now, the littlest human, Torta, is going to try the bagel, and she's gonna let you know how it is. It's better than store bagels. It's really good and it has a lot of flavor. And remember, these children are savage and they will tell you if it's caca or good. Trust me, the human mom and me have learned that they will not lie about the food to spare anybody's feelings.